guys, this video is going to be focusing in on our to-do list. Now, you will only have things in your to-do list if your teacher is able and has been sending you things digitally. And the reason I know I have something is because I see a number 2 here. And so I can simply click on to do. And this is going to show that my teacher has sent me some practice pages and then a vocabulary review. Now, a couple of different options. You can print these things and just do them pencil paper by simply clicking on the little cog or wheel here, and it says open original format. You want to open original format. This is just a PDF that you can then click on the printer icon. Mine happens to be right here. Yours might be in a little different place. Or you can click up at the top, go to File, and click Print. Make sure you ask an adult before printing out all of these pages. Now, my teacher did not specify whether or not to do one of them or 2 of them, so I'm assuming my teacher wants me to do all of them, and there's about 10 of them here. I can scroll through and see the different ones. All right, now, if I am able and I want to do them digitally, you might be used to doing them digitally, you could simply click on the little icon there of the pages, and they're going to open up. Let me make this nice and big. In this window with the gray bars, this is sort of the interactive format. So I could actually do this here digitally online, and I've got my T for type, so I can choose different fonts, right? And I could choose different colors. I'm just going to stick with black here. A different I'm going to use Arial, I think, size 14, that works. And then I can come over here and I can click on the page, and then I can use that and type into it. Now, I also have a circle. So if, for example, if it asked me to circle a word, I could do that. I've got a box tool, a pencil tool, a highlighting tool. Anything that I do, let me go back to that T for type. Anything that I do here as I'm typing, right? So there, got my blinking cursor, and I can type on here. I always want to remember that I need to save my work. That's going to save to my assignments and save to my binder. And then once I've done that, and once I've done the work and I've saved it, I can close that window and I can see that it's been saved here. Now, if you had already been working on a page or 2 and you want to return, you could just click on it from here. So if I click on that, I can see the work that I've done, and I could go to the next page and continue. So that's just another opportunity to work through the practice pages. Let's take a look at this assignment. Oh, and by the way, once I've got all of that work done, I would hit submit and I could send it to my teacher. I also like the idea that I could send a note to my teacher. So if I want to write almost like a little text message back to my teacher, if I had an issue or a problem, or maybe I could say, this was really easy for me, I could tell my teacher how I felt or how I did on these practice. Or if I needed maybe the teacher to help me out. Then also on the review vocabulary game here, I would want to be able to review the words to know first, right? So the words to know are on the home page, and then I could come here and play this game, go through and play this game, and then I could let my teacher know that I played the game and then hit submit. So